All right, next up, we're gonna be insulating one of the AC pipes. My AC, it shuts on, it shuts off. It'll blow cold, then it'll blow warm. When I first start up the car, let the car warm up and I drive it, it's actually not bad. It's when the engine gets hot. And so my car, I tried doing the AC reset on it. There's a procedure that you can do. And unfortunately, when mine was built, it doesn't qualify for that. So I think something on the compressor or circuit board, something needs changed out. But the AC is tolerable. But what I'm gonna do is put some of this insulating pipe on here just to see if maybe if I can get a degree or two colder. It shocks me how hot this tube gets and is for something cold blowing through it. I don't know if that's typical, but it gets extremely hot. So I'm gonna put this on. This tube that I bought actually seals itself, but I have some zip ties and I'm gonna do it. I don't know how well the engine cover is gonna fit on after this, but we'll give it a go and see how we do. All right, so yeah, I mean, not the cleanest looking setup, but if it gives me a few more degrees of colder air, hopefully it works. I will note that this seal, I just don't think this was gonna stick, so I still went ahead and zip tied it. But not too bad, had a cut right there. So yeah, hopefully my AC blows colder. And if you guys have any tips or tricks on how to make this work better, let me know. Door sills, so they still have the plastic. I don't know if it's the original plastic or not, but the 3M tape underneath it is not sticking, so we are going to be fixing that today. This has bent a little bit. I'm just going to try and bend it back, so I really don't want to have to buy new ones, and I think it'll be fine. But just going to take these off, and then we are going to put them back on. Yeah, that tape's working right there. All right, now that we got that taken off, just gonna take some speed shine. I'm gonna just clean this up, put the double-sided 3M tape back on, try and straighten that guy out a little bit, and then put it back on. All right, got the tape on. This appears to be just a touch wider than what originally was on there, but hopefully it might stay on there better. So when I'm ready, I'm just gonna peel this off and then place the seal plate on there, and then we will be hopefully good to go. So let me go ahead. I don't know, I mean, this thing is so flimsy. I just wonder how like straight it's gonna look because it's been getting caught in that, but I have to think it's gonna look okay. Let me see what I can do to straighten it out. So definitely not perfect. These things are extremely flimsy. You bend it one way, try and bend it back, but it's better than what it was. I mean, I still have this right there that I tried getting as straight as I could, but you know what? It's just gonna have to do. It's not to my standards. These things are like paper in terms of width. Like they're just super thin, but you know, at least they're on there. At least they're protecting the door sill. Yeah, that looks shitty from up above. It's fine. Until I replace other ones, at least now it's not gonna get caught in the door as I close it. you.